Red leather melon. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Nat.
And Dems. Thank you guys for staying tuned. If it is the first time you guys watching one of our videos, please subscribe, like, share, and definitely leave a comment. So today
We have a tongue twister challenge that we're going to do with some of our friends.
yeah, we'll be doing this awesome tongue twister challenge. We have some friends joining us. We have a friend from Bangladesh, LJ. She has this awesome YouTube channel. Please check her out in our link description below.
Hi guys, this is Meela Jahan and I'm coming from Bangladesh. I made Nets and Dames from YouTube coverage. They and some other 10 incredible people from different countries. We tried tongue twister in my channel, and now I am coming to DiAndersons for awesome tongue twister challenge. I'm gonna play some tongue twisters. Watch me fumbling if you're interested. Please stay tuned.
We have some other friends from Canada, friends from Jamaica, and a few.
Okay, stay tuned. Tongue twister will be
Red leather, yellow leather. So I know it sounds very similar, not very similar, but very simple, right? But let's begin. Go on, please.
red leather. Oh my god. Red leather melon.
Leather, yellow leather. Red leather, yellow leather.
Leather, yellow leather, red leather, yellow leather, red leather, yellow leather, red leather, yellow leather, red leather, yellow leather. Oh my, I think I nailed it. Okay, so the next one. Yeah, that one is also familiar to me. She sells seashells by the seashore.
She sells seashells by the seashore.
She says by the seashore.
I wish I said.
She says by the seashore.
She sells seashells by the seashore. Yeah.
Seashell by the
She
seashore.
said by the okay.
You have to say it fast.
I'm really fast.
Other one is I saw Susie sitting in the shoe shine shop.
I saw Susie sitting in the shoe shine shop.
I saw Susie sitting in the shoe shine shop.
I saw Susie sitting in the sushi shop.
Saw Susie sitting in that. I saw Susie sitting in the
I saw Susie sitting in the shoe shop.
Susie sitting in the shoe shine shop. I saw Susie sitting in the shoe shine shop. I saw Susie sitting in the shoe shine shop. I saw Susie sitting in the shoe shine shop. I saw Susie sitting in the shoe shine shop. I saw Susie sitting in the shoe shine shop. That's pretty okay.
Tom through Tim 3 Tom facts. Tom facts backside. Tom through Tim. Tom through Tim 3 Tom facts. Tom through Tim 3 Tom facts.
Tom through Tim 3 thumbtacks.
Tom through Tim 3 thumbtacks. Tom through Tim 3 thumbtacks. Tom through Tim 3 thumbtacks.
Tom through Tim 3 thumbtacks.
Tom through Tim 3 thumbtacks. Tom through Tim 3 thumbtacks.
Thumbtacks. Tom through Tim 3 thumbtacks. Tom through Tim 3 thumbtacks.
3. 1, 2, 3. Tongue through. Okay.
So
And the fifth.
go.
And the fifth one. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled pepper. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled pepper. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled pepper. Peter Piper picked a peck of pepper.
Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled pepper. Peter Piper picked a peck. Peter Piper picked a peck. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled pepper.
Peter Piper picked up a peck of pickled pepper. I can't. Let's try again.
Oh my god.
No.
Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled pepper. Peter Piper
pick up.
Okay, what does it say together again? Okay, on 3. 1, 2, 3. Peter Piper pick up. Okay, so guys, that's it. I know that we failed this test miserable, definitely.
You guys can try it at home as well.
Yeah, if you feel like you guys can definitely do these tongue twisters, please leave a comment and probably just show us a short video. Let us see. Thank you guys for watching this video to the end. We really love and we appreciate you guys. Until the next one.
Catch you in the next video.